So you want to build a successful YouTube channel. Before you hit record, you need a plan, a blueprint, just like building a house. A clear strategy helps you know your audience, your message, and your direction. Many creators jump in with passion but no system, leading to inconsistency and burnout. A plan keeps you consistent, which the YouTube algorithm loves. Think of your channel as a brand, not just a collection of random videos. The difference between thriving and surviving on YouTube is having a solid blueprint. This video breaks down the 4 essential pillars for building a powerful YouTube presence. We'll cover research, content creation, back-end management, and financial growth. These pillars are like the legs of a sturdy table. Miss one, and your channel wobbles. Mastering all 4 means you're not just making videos, you're building a valuable asset. Ready to get practical? Let's dive into the first pillar, research and development. The first pillar is research and development, the groundwork for your channel. Start by finding topics people are searching for. Use YouTube's search bar to see what auto-completes. Don't guess, use data to find proven video ideas and ensure there's an audience. Know your target viewer. Create a persona like Brenda, a beginner gardener, and tailor your content to her needs. Analyze your competition. Study 5 to 10 channels in your niche. What are their most popular videos? Where are the gaps? Find ways to stand out, maybe better lighting or covering topics others miss. Understand the landscape so you can offer something unique. Learn the basics of YouTube SEO. Use relevant keywords in your title, description, and tags. Tools like TubeBuddy or VidIQ help you find high search, low competition keywords. For example, easy chocolate cake recipe for beginners is better than baking a cake. Smart research makes your videos discoverable and sets you up for growth. The second pillar is content creation, where your ideas come to life. Plan each video with a script or bullet points to stay focused and confident. Structure your video hook viewers in the first 15 seconds, deliver your main content, and end with a call to action. Titles and thumbnails are your billboard. Make them clear, emotional, and curiosity-driven. You don't need fancy gear, good lighting, and clear audio matter most. Edit tightly cut mistakes, add B-roll text, and music to keep things moving. Use YouTube features like cards and end screens to guide viewers to more of your content. Playlists and end screens encourage binge watching and turn casual viewers into subscribers. Consistency and quality are key. Respect your viewers' time. Every video is a chance to build your brand and audience. Focus on value, clarity, and engagement. That's how you turn ideas into a thriving channel. The third pillar is back-end management, the engine behind your channel's growth. Organize your channel homepage like a digital storefront professional, clear and easy to navigate. Create a channel trailer and use playlists to group videos by topic or series. Playlists boost watch time by guiding viewers through your content. Set up your About page with a concise, keyword-rich description and contact info. Consistent branding banner, profile pic, watermark builds trust and recognition. Batch your work film and edit multiple videos at once, then schedule uploads. This workflow keeps you ahead and consistent, reducing stress and burnout. Efficient management means more time for creativity and growth. Treat your channel like a business, not a hobby. The fourth pillar is financial growth, turning your passion into income. Start with the YouTube Partner Program. 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Unlock ad revenue. Track your earnings with YouTube Analytics to see what works. Don't rely only on ads. Diversify with affiliate marketing, sponsorships, or selling products. Recommend products you trust and earn commissions through affiliate links. As you grow, reinvest earnings into better equipment or hiring help. Upgrades lead to better content, more views, and more revenue, a positive feedback loop. The 4 pillars: research, creation, management, finance work together for lasting success. Start with research, build your content, manage your channel, and grow your income. Consistency and strategy turn your channel into a real business. The blueprint is here now. It's your turn to build. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your YouTube journey.